Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Dark Red Goblet in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, you need to be at least in chapter 8 of the main story. The faction quest for this will only unlock at the beginning of this chapter. Now let's open our journal, Factions Quests, then under Demonis, it should be in House Toril. This quest is called the Crimson Warden. Let's just follow the marker for this quest. The quest starts by talking to our comrade giving us information about a defected Grey Mane. Now let's head over to the next quest marker. I'll just jump over this fence so we can skip directly to the boss area. You now need to defeat this boss. I think this boss is easy if you just run around and keep your distance before attacking. Once you've managed to defeat this boss, you'll be rewarded with the Dark Red Goblet. This is one of the few items that gives a permanent buff to your character. Once consumed, this will give Cliff a permanent plus 40 to his stamina, which is extremely valuable for combat and traversal. And that is how to get the Dark Red Goblet in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.